Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. If your Vizio TV won't turn on, keeps restarting, or freezes on the logo screen, don't panic. There's one powerful trick that can fix most of these issues in minutes. It's called a power cycle, and today, I'll show you exactly how to do it safely and effectively. Make sure to watch till the end to learn the #1 method that resets your TV's internal circuits, just like a factory technician would. Step 1. Understanding power cycling. So, what exactly is a power cycle? A power cycle is a complete discharge and restart of your TV's internal hardware, clearing any stuck energy or system glitches. Think of it as giving your TV a deep breath, clearing temporary bugs without erasing your settings. This simple step solves common issues like black screens, boot loops, frozen apps, or no signal errors. Step 2. Perform a soft power cycle. Let's start with the soft power cycle. Turn off your Vizio TV using the remote. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. This allows all residual energy to discharge. Plug the power cord back in and turn on your TV. This resets the power board and clears out voltage buildup. If your TV turns on and operates normally, congratulations. You've just fixed it using the simplest yet most effective method. Step 3. Perform a hard power cycle. If the soft cycle didn't help, let's do a hard power cycle. Turn off the TV and unplug it again. Locate the power button on your TV, usually on the bottom or side panel. Press and hold it for 15 seconds. This drains any leftover power from internal components. Wait another minute before plugging it back in and turning it on. This step resets your TV's main board and firmware cache, often fixing issues like random shutdowns or unresponsive screens. Step 4. Final check and tips. Once your TV powers back on, check for stability. If it's working fine, you've successfully performed the #1 maintenance trick every Vizio owner should know. To keep your TV running smoothly, avoid plugging it into power strips with multiple devices. Perform a power cycle every few months as preventive care. Always use official firmware updates from Vizio. Step 5. When power cycling doesn't work, if your Vizio TV still doesn't power on or continues to shut off after performing both soft and hard power cycles, don't worry, there are still a few things you can try. Check the power outlet. Plug another device, like a phone charger or a lamp, into the same outlet to confirm it's working properly. Inspect the power cable. Make sure the cable isn't loose, bent, or damaged. A faulty cord can prevent your TV from getting stable power. Use a direct wall connection. Avoid using extension cords or power strips. Connect your TV directly to the wall socket for a clean power supply. If none of these work, it may indicate a hardware issue with the mainboard or power supply. At that point, it's best to contact Vizio support or a professional technician. And that's it. Your Vizio TV power cycle complete. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick Vizio fixes, and drop a comment if your issue was resolved. Remember, sometimes the simplest trick is the most powerful one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Vizio troubleshooting guide.